Melbourne residents are in for a restless night with temperatures set to stay above 30 degrees overnight. It's a sweaty end to an absolute scorcher of a day which has caused trouble on the roads and prompted warnings from paramedics. Alex Daish has more.
By midday today, Melbourne had already reached 30 degrees. An hour later, 35 degrees, and despite the forecast maximum of 40 today, this city was a hype of activity. Here at St Kilda, hundreds have gathered to catch some sun. Today there's very little sea breeze, so it's a perfect beach day really, and in fact across the state there's only light to moderate winds. Today's scorching temperatures have affected some events already. The Caulfield races started earlier than scheduled to avoid the heat, as did some sporting events on the beach this morning. And for tomorrow's St Kilda Festival, with another hot day expected, plenty of paramedics are on standby.
We do ask that patrons look after themselves and their mates, drink plenty of water, have a good time.
Now, despite warning after warning to parents, this afternoon at about 12:30, Ambulance Victoria attended a car in Chadstone where there were two young children left unattended. Both those young children were treated at the scene but were not taken to hospital. The heat is also causing more cars on the road to break down, prompting this warning from authorities.
Unfortunately, in the hot weather, problems become more exaggerated. So if you've got a crack in your hose or there's a leak in the engine, the hot weather will cause problems.
As for tonight, it will be a very uncomfortable sleep for everyone in Melbourne. An overnight minimum of 30 degrees. That's close to a Melbourne record and in line with an average night in Dubai, one of the hottest cities in the world. That comes ahead of tomorrow, when there is expected to be a southwesterly wind change, and as a result of that, the CFA says tomorrow is a critical fire day and all their crews are on high alert.